going to continue on a topic that I had on the Ricky Smiley Morning Show when I did my broadcast. We talked about STDs. And let me tell you, STDs have become a major problem because for the past 2 years, really, we have really optimized our health. We've been talking about washing our hands and doing all the things we have to do. But this has not been the issue. We have not been protecting ourselves from STDs. And the only real protection that you can take versus catching the disease and then trying to treat it would be condom use. That's male and female condoms are literally the barrier method. They're the only method that will protect you from STDs. But you have to understand, if your sexual activity includes oral sex and you're not using a dental barrier called a dental dam, you can use condoms all you like, but then as soon as you have oral sex, you've exposed yourself to the same bacteria and or viruses. So for the CDC just updated their information about STD rates, and the increase in the United States has been as 23 million cases reported by the CDC. It's 23 million cases. Syphilis cases have nearly doubled, and everybody thinks syphilis is something that's old and it's not there. The amount of neonatal syphilis, in other words, babies that are born with syphilis, has increased by 37%. Gonorrhea has increased by 67%. 67%. And last but not least, chlamydia is at record highs. And oftentimes when a person has an STD infection with chlamydia, they also have the gonorrhea. So gonorrhea and chlamydia infections are usually a dual infection. They happen quite regularly, and it's something you have to protect yourself from. So if you're not in a monogamous relationship where you have sex with only one person and you are 100% sure that person is only having sex with you, then you need to protect yourself with condom use and no exchange of body fluids. And that is specifically indicated with oral sex so that you can protect yourself. Safe sex is a barrier methods. There's no spermicides. There's nothing you can insert. There's nothing you can paint on. There's nothing that you can do to protect yourself from catching the STD. That is why all other forms of birth control will say this does not protect you from contracting sexually transmitted diseases. And that's not even mentioning the incidence of herpes infections and HIV, which is markedly increased, particularly after plateauing and going down. The rates are increasing. And that is in females from age 15 to 24. And in men that have sex with men or gay men. So and that doesn't matter whether you're a top or a bottom, your incidence of HIV has increased.